Welcome to our gymnasium renovation proposal, a design solution focused on enhancing acoustic and lighting system. As observed in the existing condition of the gymnasium, the space faces significant challenges. Excessive reverberation impacts sound clarity, making communication difficult during activities. Meanwhile, the outdated lighting results in uneven brightness and limited energy efficiency. To address the acoustic concerns, we propose the installation of sound-absorbing wall panels and ceiling baffles. These materials will reduce echo, improve speech intelligibility, and create a more comfortable environment for both sports and community events. Our lighting strategy includes the use of light fixtures with high color rendering and optimal brightness. These will be arranged to provide even distribution across the court, enhancing visibility and reducing energy consumption. Smart controls and sensors will further improve efficiency. This visual simulation highlights the transformation. The updated acoustics reduce ambient noise, while the improved lighting creates a well-lit, functional, and inviting space. The gymnasium is now ready to support a variety of activities, day and night. This renovation proposal not only upgrades the gym's performance, but also emphasizes comfort, sustainability, and modern utility. Come and join us to watch the gymnasium renovation proposal.
Halina't hawakan ng aking kamay, sabay abutin natin ang tagumpay. Patuloy lang tayo sa pagpapanday, tiwala sa Diyos ang sandat at gabay. Subukan nating isulong